Today we're going to do Sunshine of Your Love by Eric Clapton and Cream. We're tuned to G, low G, big string. Middle string is D. And your high string, skinny string is high G. That forms a G chord. We're going to do the song in D, the same as the record. So if you're in G, you got G sharp, A sharp, B, C, no B sharp for our purposes, C sharp, and then D. So that puts us on the 7th fret. We're going to mute behind the slide back here, because otherwise you get this stuff going on while you're playing, which doesn't sound too good. We'll start off with the main riff, which it hits the 7 twice. And that was 5-7. And on the middle string, 7, 6, 5, open, 3, open. Does that twice. Then the band comes in and he plays a full chord and he does a variation of the last little lick there. Full chord would still be on the 7th fret, so 7th twice, 5 once, 7th. Then the same run down, 7 in the middle string, 6, 5. Now you're going to whip up here to the 12th fret and then land on the 10th. So you just don't worry about getting up there and going like, it's not really like that. You want to sort of whip up to it. And then ending on the 7th. Demo that for you. So whenever you're on that chord for the rest of the song, pretty much, you want to do the lick that way as opposed to the intro, which is just the... So after you do that for a while, you hear that the chord changes and it goes up to a G, which is on the 12th fret for us today. And you do basically the same lick that we started with, but with the full chord. So it'd be 12, 12, 10, 12. And then on the middle string, it'll be 12, 11, 10. And if you're worried about your tuning, you can go to your first string and just use the 0 and the 3rd fret. It's actually a handy thing to do when you're playing slide, even though you could find the notes up here. Every time you go back to an open string, it sort of retunes your ear to make sure that you're staying in tune, because it is easy to sort of get out. Then back to this one. Just one more time. And then you go to A, which is the 2nd fret. Down, up, down. And then 5th fret. That's C. And then open is G. Do that again. Down, up, down. 5th fret. Open. One more time. And then now you go to the A and you stay there. Except for the end of the song where you stay there forever. You're basically staying there for 2 measures. But how you get that feel is by going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. It'll give you that sort of feel that they have. And just as you get to the last couple beats, you stop doing that and just go. Just straight time, I guess you would call that. So that's, do the last one for you. So really, that's all there is to the song. You play the same backup if you have somebody to do the solo. The same as verse. And at the end of the song, you double the chorus, the A, C, and G part. and you stay on that last chord and it fades out. Well, most guys play it like twice as long, and then they end with the F. But of course, you can do whatever you like. So I hope you have fun with that today. Bye.